Rightio. Today I'd rather be out prospecting or fishing or riding my motorbike. Just trying to think how I can do all three of those at the same time, but I don't think it's possible. But today I'm working on the Fairlady. The Fairlady's decided to fail a warrant. So made some room in the garage. And fix this thing. I'm kind of lazy. I kind of would like to just pay a mechanic to do it. But as I'm also a mechanic, I should probably, my wife is sort of saying, why don't you do it? Well, maybe I should. But I haven't worked on a Fairlady before. Everything's alloy. Dude, you don't fit in there. Not much. Hey, just check out how low Fairlady Z350s. The jack is going to get under there. Might drive it up on a couple of blocks of wood, I think. Could be a good idea. She's pretty low. Got these 2 blocks of wood. I'm just gonna put them under here and drive forward onto them. Just get the Fairlady up high enough to get the jack under and dirt gets out of the way. Right, get the Fairlady up in the air and put the wheels under the, just sitting under there. They're not actually touching the car or anything, they're sitting under there and just as extra safety. If we had an earthquake or something, couldn't drop off the axle stands, it'll just fall onto the wheels, it won't hurt anything. And it kind of gets them out of the way so they're not not in the way when you're working. Just sitting under there. Alright, got to get this thing here off. So this frame here has to so I've got to unbolt that over there, drop this frame down, gives you access to this one, and then pop this one out. I'll probably take the tie rod off to give me better access to this one, but maybe that's not needed. No point doing any work that's not needed. I'll have a look at that. Got Luke onto it. He's already dropped off whatever this is called. Might give that a clean up before it goes back on. Here's the old one. The cone's still stuck on there. It's pretty flogged out. This one, you can't. This one's stiff as. Cones are a pain.
That feeling, nothing beats that feeling of the top bolt finally giving in.
Righty. Luke's just heating the cone bush off. I don't know what it's made out of, it's pinnacles. pretty bloody solid, whatever it is. Like ceramic. Need those cones on there. Top it up.
I'm going to put this side in.
I'm waiting for that one to cool down so I don't burn my fingers like I just did. They'll just compress when you tighten it up anyway.
Yeah.
And most of it out. What do you call this part anyway? Subframe? Part of the subframe? Or putting the whole bottom half of the car back together.
It's got
Yeah,
more.
extension socket just get some of these in. It's so deep. Yeah, can't even do it with my fingers. Look. New parts are in. Just about. Get them. Is there a tube socket? Oh, I see it's there somewhere. Probably a bit too tight for now.
I've got it set on the weakest setting.
I'll grab a torque wrench.
Yeah.
Hopefully I got a big enough torque.
Can you not film up my pants? Please.
Should we stubbies?
Yeah.
I have to look up a YouTube video and see what the torque ratings are. Yay! Torque leak. Torque. 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 Torque them up. Yay! We got it down.
Thank fuck.
Now we've got to torque the wheels up. Kind of looks like this wheel's hovering in midair, but it's sitting on some wood. Got to put it on some wood so that we can get the jack under. So looking good under there. All that's left to do is take it for a test run. and get a speeding ticket and lose all the money I just saved by doing this myself. Well, I said I'd pay Luke, but I didn't say how much I'd pay him. Going for a spin?
Huh?
Going for a spin?
I'll follow.
You'll follow. Do you want to wash your hands? Oh. You want to wash your G-forces there to make my cell phone fall out of my pocket. Drop something down the side of the seats here and then just like, there's a little gap. You don't have a glove box in this car. Definitely. Look back here, you got like lighter plugs, torch in there, more masks.